Hello, fellow Chartists. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and it is Christmas Eve, so a happy Merry Christmas to you all. All right, let's get into this technical analysis, okay? So, we had a very green week this past week, all right? 4 days of green candle, all right? On the 20th, we lost that 50-day moving average, but like many times that happened this year, we gained it right back and we continue to push. Now, the last 8 out of 9 times when the S&P 500 lost the 50-day moving average or tested the 50 moving average and recovered, it went on to new all-time high. So will history repeat itself? Okay? So, is a potential quadruple top. All right? I say potential because it's not official yet. All right? So we start here, blue line. I got a lot of lines happening. Let me move that color to yellow. All right? So as you can see here, starting right here on November 5th, got a bunch of touches, some fake breakouts, some more touches, fake breakout, and now here we are back again. We got above it for most of the day. It was basing, but at the last 10 minutes of trading yesterday, it just dropped right back below that resistant level. Okay, so right now on Monday we have a critical support level at 469.8. all right, that's this blue support line right here, okay, that has served as an equilibrium level for us. All right, as you can see here, got a bunch of touches, failed, retest, and then we reclaimed it or recaptured it, test, went on to new all-time high, been chopping, dropped down low. Okay, we touched that level again, dropped down low, and here we are back again. So we want to see that blue level continue to hold if we are to keep that 480 price target for SPY in play. Okay, what we really want to see on Monday is not only this level hold, the 469.8 level hold, but also we want to see a close above 470.7. all right, that's where this yellow resistant line is currently at. We want to see a close. Matter of fact, we want to see 2 closes above that level, all right, to give us a good sign that we are going to head up to new all-time highs. Okay, if this was right here, if this was the first wave 5, okay, if that was the first wave 5, this is possibly the ABC wave right here. Now what we are is in the beginning of a wave 3, a very impulsive wave 3. Okay, it's possible. That's wave 1, that will be wave 2, and we are heading up higher for wave 3, which means possible that we could break that 480 price target. All right, now it's not gonna be perfect like this. It's gonna be a little messed up probably, but it'd be something like that if this really was a wave 3 of a wave 5 pattern to the upside. Okay, guys, it'll be something just like that. So it's possible still that we have more upside in the S&P 500. Now, if we do lose that 469.8 support level, critical support, there's going to be more levels. There's levels at 467.3 and support levels at 464.6, around there, okay? But if we do get a rejection from this level, there's a sign that this is a quadruple top. All right, that's a lot of tops. All right, and we could head down lower. Okay, my bias is to the upside right now because the SPY is trading above all moving averages. Okay, and it has a lot of momentum to the upside. Also, want to talk about the seasonality. I mentioned this to my members yesterday. All right, it's possible, if you look here, this is the end of the year rally. It's possible we are heading to an end of the year rally. All right, now it didn't really track around Thanksgiving time. Okay, we were supposed to get a surge in Thanksgiving. That didn't track. For the most part, it tracked throughout the year, with the exception of this big leg up here around Thanksgiving time. But we did get some type of top in December, early December, which would be this one. This one, early December. So last week's or earlier this week's bottom, that's right there. That could be represented right here. And now we get in that surge to the end of the year, which should lead us to a bearish January. Okay? So that's what seasonality is showing us. I like this seasonality because it's based on the last 20 years. You know, that's a good sample size of data. That's why I like to use it. Doesn't mean it's 100% correct. But as of right now, I do want to mention that seasonality is on the bull side. Okay, so if it follows, we should be bullish all the way into early January, January 2nd, maybe around there. Okay, so yeah, price action looks bullish, moving trading above all moving averages. Seasonality is bullish into January, where we would get a bearish January. Taking a look at the VIX, we got the VIX trading and closing below all moving averages. Okay, now on the 22nd, it closed below all moving average, and today it went even low. Yesterday it went even lower, giving us a confirmation that the VIX is bearish. All right, and we do not have support on the VIX until 1490. That's what his blue support line is right there, as you can see. All right, those are former bottoms of the VIX that VIX failed to break, and now we could be going back to test that level. Okay, so the VIX is looking bearish. So, you know, and SPY is looking like it's getting bullish, if it's not bullish to you guys already. All right, now of course, if the VIX heads back up, you know, for this back test of this bear flag again, which could happen. You know, we could see some downside or some pullback on the SPY, but it doesn't mean it has to happen. As long as we see the VIX trading below all moving average, right? The next one is 200 day moving average is at 18.669. Okay, as long as we see VIX below that level, that's still a good sign for bulls as far as the SPY is concerned, and it could head up to 480 and finish out this megaphone pattern. All right, so that's what I got for the SPY. Moving on to triple Q. Triple Q had a breakout, as you can see here. Don't have as much crazy lines on the triple Q. And the next great support for the triple Q is up here at 401. All right, we started right here November 5th. Had a breakout, turned out to be a false breakout. A bunch of tests of it, only to go lower. Came back and almost tested it, only to go lower. All right. Then we recaptured this white trending support level right here. It's been around since early October. Had a few touches. Recaptured it, broke out of this flag that you can see right here with this baby blue trend line. As you can see, broke out. So what we need is for 393 to hold. Okay, below 393, this will be a false breakout. False breakouts are bearish. Okay, you can switch your sentiment to bearish if it comes out to be a false breakout again. You can see a lower low. But as long as it holds, there's not much resistance to 401. If we break 401, it's gonna be a big leg up. Okay, I'm talking a big leg up to this next resistant level over here. That's around 419 to 420. Okay, so remember what I said. 393 must hold. Above 393, 401 is still in play. Below 393, we can start seeing 387, 373, 370. All right, so don't get bearish until we have a confirmed false breakout. Dow Jones will reclaim this red trending line. It's trading above all moving average. Okay, that trending line has been the equilibrium level for us, for the Dow Jones, for quite some time, starting since March. Touch there, touch there. There's the breakdown, the retest, recaptured, broke down, recaptured, rolled it a bit, broke down again, but here we are recaptured. Okay, now the next breakout level is this blue resistant line right here. As you can see, it started from November 5th. Got a touch there, December 16th. Can we get that breakout level? It's at 361.8. All right. So if you see Dow Jones above 361.8, follow that price action, because we could get higher up to 370 to 371. But if we get a rejection there, if it go and test it and it fails to get above, we reject it. That's a bearish sign. All right, we could see some sideways action, some bull flagging, or maybe just straight up it goes back down, okay? And of course, the red equilibrium level trend line. All right, that's a mouthful, right? So it's at 358.9. That's a critical support level for the Dow Jones right now, okay? So that has to hold in order to keep this blue resistant level or line in place to get tested, okay? And then we'll watch out for the breakout from there, okay? IWM also had a breakout. All right, here's that breakout. The white falling trend line. We got the close above. That's a breakout. So we need 221 to hold. Below, if it closes below, keyword is close. All right, because you know the market makes a lot of noises and a lot of fake outs where it pushes it under the critical support level only to get right back up. So watch where it closes. That's the most important thing, especially on the daily chart. If it closes below 221, that's not a good sign for the bulls, so we could see more downside. As long as it holds and closes above 221, the next level is 225. And then up here at 231 will be a critical resistant level that the IWM needs to take on, okay? It's possible that this is a W pattern that's forming, all right? But we'll play it level by level. It still remains to be seen, okay? So 221 is critical support and resistant is 225. Ethereum, look at Ethereum go. All right, it's looking good for Ethereum. As you can see here, we got the breakout from this triangle pattern, okay? So it's very critical that 4,010 holds. All right, it's about 90 bucks above that right now, but 4,010 must hold so it doesn't be a false breakout. And as long as it holds, we got the next price target up here at 4,700, which is the resistance of this blue channel. All right, and above 4,700, we'll put 5,500 in play. Those are some nice moves. So if you're holding, keep on holding. Make sure you have a good stop loss, or maybe if you're in it for the long term, then you know, buy the dip. But right now, price action is looking bullish. It's looking like it's building some more momentum, and our price targets are in play. All right, guys. So that's what I got for today. Also, I'm still doing the coupon deal for my Discord. You can join for the first month for just $1. Then after it'll be $75 a month. Okay, you can check it out for $1. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. If you do like it, don't cancel. Stay part of the community. You know, I'm gonna do my best to give you guys the best technical analysis I can give you in real time, not just in hindsight. A lot of my members find that beneficial, and I hope you find that beneficial as well. Make sure you put in the coupon Chartis05. That's a capital C, you know, to spell Chartis, 05. You put it in the coupon. Check the link in the description, and I'm also going to put it in the comments section as well. So see you all soon. Enjoy your holidays.